They don't think we can be together.
Nah, mostly it's because they think you're a dick, you know, with the dickies glasses and that.
No, it's mainly because they think our races shouldn't mix.
Nah, mostly it's because they think I've rooted better looking fellas when I've been too drunk to speak.
Is that how you feel?
50-50. Kinda like you.
I kinda like you too.
Loretta broke my heart in a letter. She told me she was leaving and her life would be better. Joe broke it off her with the phone. After the tone, she left me alone. Jen said she'd never ever see me again. When I saw her again, she said it again. Jan met another man. Lisa got amnesia, just forgot who I am. Felicity said there was no electricity. Emily, no chemistry. Fran ran, Bruce turned out to be a man. Flo had to go, I couldn't go with the flow. Carol Brown just took a bus out of town. But I'm hoping that you'll stick around.
He doesn't cook or clean, he's not good boyfriend material.
Ooh, we can eat cereal.
You lose interest fast, his relationships never last.
Shut up, girlfriends from the
He
past.
says he'll do one thing and then he goes and does another thing.
Oh, who organized all of my ex-girlfriends into a choir and got them to sing? Shut up. Shut up, girlfriends from my past. Mamie will no longer see me. Brittany hit me. Paula, Persephone, Stella, and Stephanie. There must be 50 ways that lovers have left me. Carol Brown just took a bus out of town. Love is a delicate thing. It could just float away on the breeze.
He says the same thing to me.
How can we ever know we found the right person in this
He
world?
means he looks at other girls.
Love is a mystery. It does not follow a rule.
This guy is a fool. He'll always be a boy. He's a man who never grew up.
I thought I told you to shut up. Mona, you told me you were in a coma. Tiffany, you said that you had an epiphany. Would you like a little cereal? Who organized this choir of ex-girlfriends? Was it you, Carol Brown? Was it you, Carol Brown? Carol Brown just took a bus out of town. But I'm hoping that you'll stick around. Stick around.